So this is a very sensible topic. Everyone has their own belief systems. This not only India but the world runs on belief systems, sir. So it is not that you have to believe a certain thing and you have to stop believing certain thing. See, there is no good or bad or God exists or God does not exist in this world. It is only our thinking makes it so. So the divine cannot be explained. There is something that is beyond explanation that can only be felt. Humans can never explain something that's beyond their imagination. So imagination is limitless, but there is always something beyond that that is keeping us moving forward in life. So life without God is unbearable, you know. Uh, and God can be realized through all paths. And I'd like to add a point that why is death seen very, why is death seen as a bad thing? It is a liberation, like we say, it is a liberation of a body from one body to another. If you study Vedic science, you realize that death is not a bad thing. It is a liberation from this life to another. Like we change our clothes day by day, we change our bodies. That is liberation. So death should not be seen as a bad thing. And one more thing I'd like to, add to this is it is wrong for you to tell that there is no God, because when you're not aware of something, you don't know of its existence. When you feel it in your daily life, when you realize that the impossible becomes possible through devotion, then you'll understand that there is existence of God in your life and everyone's life. God can be your best friend. You can see him in everybody. Like I would just take one example, that this corona crisis has been tough to everybody in this world, but we are somehow, people are dying, people are surviving it, people are coming out of it. That itself, we have given so much hurt to this mother nature. That is what is giving back to us. This is the result. Corona is the result of our deeds, what we have done through over the years to mother nature. Today is world earth day, international earth day. So they are saying that what we have given to nature has given us a tight slap with this corona. So we should not blame ourselves or God, not ourselves. We are not blaming ourselves. We are very smart. We are blaming God for all this. That is not correct, because whatever you give, you get what you give. That is the whole of religion.